Hi Anthony, what are the benefits of silage in dairy?
Today I'll highlight 4 benefits of silage in dairy farming. Number 1, it ensures consistent supply of fodder to the dairy animals throughout the year. Number 2, it is a high energy source for the dairy animals. Number 3, for the large-scale farms, it ensures efficient use of labor due to mechanization. And lastly, it reduces post-harvest losses due to flexible harvest units. Now, to learn more on silage making, please check out our video on our Mambo Shamba YouTube channel. The link is on bio.